Hello guys, we're back. Obviously it looks a little different today. Um, this is a website called SudokuPad. I got the link from, I mentioned this guy before, Ranksk. Um, this is the link right here to it if you want to do it yourself. Um, yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to reset the time. How do I do that? Resume, stay paused. No? Restart, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like there's, and I'll show you why I chose to switch to this website, just because you can kind of, I guess I can show you right now, like you can kind of drag stuff around, so it's kind of easier to show what I'm talking about um, with stuff. But let's get to it. No one's up here. Only 1, 2. We have the 2 3s. Alright, you have to hold control. And then this 3 sees that cell. So there's 2 3s. So here, we used corner marks to say 3 has to go here within this row / box. And then there's also the center marks, which is this button down here. And we'll get to that once it becomes relevant. These 2 6s plus this 6 make it so that 6 goes here. That's it. Okay. We have these 2 1s, places 1 right here. These 2 4s, put 4 down here somewhere. And then these 2 9s take care of these cells. This 9 takes care of that, so that has to be 9. Okay. Looks like the only repeats here are the 8s. So they take care of here. This 8 takes care of this. So this is 8. Alrighty, we have 2 2s. Oh wait, yeah, 2 2s. Places 2 in here somewhere. These 2 4s take care of these cells. This 4 takes care of that, so that places 4 right here. No 5s, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9. Okay. We have 1 1, no 2s, 1 3. These 2 4s plus this 4 makes 4 somewhere in here. 1 5, 1 6, no 7s, 1 8. These 2 9s, put a 9 in here somewhere. And then looks like over here, all we got are these 7s. So 7 goes somewhere in here. Okay, let's fill out. There's only 4 left. So as I've been doing these, I've been talking about the 4 candidate method, where you kind of just find stuff that only has 4 candidates left, and this is where you can do the center marks so to say we know that there's only 4 candidates left, so it must be those, right? And you can kind of, because we know like 3 is only going to go here, so you can make those center marks if you want, but I don't know, again, I'm just following what Ranksk's method. I like to keep the center marks limited. So we need a 1. And what's also nice about this is it tells us when the candidates are messed up. So I saw it already. This 1's down here. So 1 can't go there or there. And it's red to signify that. it's kind of annoying to go through and do it, put like each candidate in where it's supposed to go. I like to just do all the candidates and then kind of take them back. So we have a 1, we need 2, we have 3, 4, we need 5, 6, and we need a 7. Okay, and what's also helpful about this is this can't be 1 or 5, and now this can't be 1, 2, 5, or 7, because we have the 1, 2, 5. Or it can't be 1, 2, 5, right? So this must be the 7, which gets rid of this 7. And then also gets rid of these 7s. Whoops. There we go. And now, this is the only 2 left marked, so that's a 2. And now this is a 1, 5 pair. Okay, there's only 3 candidates left here. So I'm going to keep these 9s, just in case, just to know that since we haven't done these cells yet, we know that the 9 can't go there. It has to go here within this box. So we have 1, 2, we need a 3, we have a 4, 5, we need a 6, we have a 7, we have an 8, and then we need a 9. So this can't be the 9 as we know, this can't be 6. So now we have that. Okay. This column has 4 left, so we can do that. Okay, we can actually place the 1, because these 2 1s see these 2 cells, and then these pointing ones see that cell. So this is going to have to be the 1. So we have 2, 3, 4. 5 has to go here or here because of these pointing 5s. And then we need a... Oh, and then 6 has to go here because 6 is already in this box right here. So this is going to be a 5, 6 pair, which means this is whatever else we need, which is going to be the 7. And now that makes this not the 7. So this is the only 7 we have left, so that's 7. Cool. Okay, so we placed some stuff up here, so I think we can follow up on that. These 2 2s take care of these cells. So 2 has to go here or here. These 2 4s take care of these cells, and there's no 4s down here. So these have to be 4 up here. So what else do we need in this row? We have 1 marked, we have 2, we have 3s marked, we have 4s marked, we have 5 marked, 6, 7. So we need 8 and 9. Yeah. And none of them, there's a 9 down there, 8 down there. That's not super helpful. Okay, there's 4 left in here, so we can do that. We need a 1, 5, 8, 9. So these are not 8, 9. These are not 8, 9. So this is a 1, 5 pair right here, which means 1 or 5 cannot go here. So this is 8, 9. So now these 8s point to say that 8 cannot go here or here. And then this 8 takes care of these cells if it wasn't already a 5, 6 pair that we knew. So that means we know 8 has to go here in one of these 2 cells. The 9s also point. We already have a 9 in this box, so it takes care of these 2. takes care of these two, so we know 9 has to go somewhere here. Now this 1 5 pair points. So now this 2 6 is all that's left. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of the corners for that one and just make it a 2 6 pair. Okay, this top row has 4 left, including that 8 9. So we need a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then the 8 9. 8 9. So this cannot be 1 or 9. This cannot be 8. Okay, and this actually also only has 4 left. Because the 1 5 pair plus that 8 9. So it needs 3. And then the 4s we had marked, right? And then 8 9. So that, again, that can't be the 8. This can't be the 3. That can't be the 8. Okay, nice. Now I want to point out another cool feature of this. It's like low-key might be cheating, but you can also double-click on any value and it'll highlight all the values, and it might be helpful to catch some of those like the crossings I mentioned in the last video that I couldn't really find anything. So these 2 1s intersect to take care of these 2. So we know 1 has to go here or here. And in this box, 2s. We already have these 2s marked, and then these 2s take care of these cells. So 2 can go in any of the corners of this. Not super helpful. 3. We already have 3s marked here. And then these 3s intersect here. Just give these 3 cells, not super helpful. 4s. We have 4s marked right here. We have 4s marked right here. We have 4s marked right here. And then they can go here, here, or here. Not very helpful. Only 1 5 placed. Interesting. 6s. We have marked right there. And then this 6 looks up here. So it can go here, here, or here. Not great. 7s. Okay, so I've missed this in the initial scan. These 2 7s are black, so they are always here. So they take care of all these cells, so 7 has to go here or here. Okay. Okay, again, this is why we do this, right? This 7 is in this column, which means it can't be here, here, here. This 7 looks into that cell, both of these, but this one's already taken care of, so it's double. This 7 really only matters for this cell right here, and now that means we can place 7 down here. Also, it's low-key cheating, but you have a check mark right here. You can check to see the solution. Hopefully I'm all good. I'm all good so far. You know, maybe that's cheating, maybe it's not, I don't know. Okay, and now I'm seeing, okay, let's take care of these 7s real quick. We can put 7 here, here. And now I'm seeing something kind of interesting. So this 5 is in this row, which means it can't go here, here. Which means inside this box, 5 has to go here or here. And now these 5's point. So 5 has to go here, here within this box, and also within this column. So now this cell right here cannot be a 5. So that has to be the 1, which makes this a 5. And now this cannot be a 1. Now there's only one candidate left, which is the 1. Or only one corner marked in that box. And now these two corner marks are, we only have a 2, 8, so this becomes a pair. And get rid of that, make this a 2, 8 pair. And now, so this is just going to be whatever's left. And it's going to be the 3. So now actually this 3 is similar to this 5. It sees these two cells. So these two cells cannot be 3. And we still need a 3 for the box. So 3 is going to go in here. And it's actually going to be a 3, 5 pair. So we can do that. So now this is going to have to be the 9. Because there's only one 9 left marked. So now we have a pair down here. So we can just do whatever's left in here, and we have a pair up here, so we can just do whatever's left for this column. Hopefully it's the same candidate. I believe it's 6, right? Yes, there's no 6 in this row. There's no 6 in this box, no 6 in this column, so this is going to have to be the 6. Very nice. So now we have all pairs in here. There's nothing we can do about that anymore. Very nice. Okay. Let's see. Let's look at this bottom. We only have 1, 1 down here. We have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. We have 2 6s. Sees these cells. This 6 up here sees this cell. So 6 goes here. In this box, we have the 7s marked. We have 8s marked. And then these 9s right here. Okay. Okay, this row only has 3 candidates left, and it's 1, 4, and 2. So we can get rid. Actually, let's not get rid of the corner marks just yet. It's 1, 2, 4. This cannot be the 4. Okay. Where do we go next? Again, I'm a dirty cheater, but I'm just going to make sure all my placements are correct. Wait, I never highlighting the 7s let me place that 7, which cascaded to finish up this vertical band, but I never highlighted my 8s, so let's see if that gets us anything. It does not. We already have the 8s marked here. These 8s see these cells, so we already have those 8s marked, and then these 8s combine to make those. So there's nothing really there. And now 9s. We have these 9s marked. And then this 9 sees these two cells, this 9 sees that cell. So 9 has to go here or here within this box. That's about it. Okay. This row right here only has 4 left. So we have 1, we need a 2, we have a 3, 4, we need a 5 and a 6, and an 8. So this can't be 6, this can't be 8. What next? What next? Hmm. Um, so 1 can go in any of these cells, which is annoying. 2 can go anywhere in here, basically. 3. Okay, 3. This 3 is in this row right here. This 3 is in this column right here, which means 3 has to go here or here within this cell. So now these 3's point, or within this box. So now these 3's point to make this 6. That gets rid of this 6 center mark and the 6 corner mark. Now there's only one 6 corner mark in the box, so this has to be the 6. Now there's only one 7 corner mark in the box, so that has to be the 7. That gets rid of this 7, which places this 7 because it's the only 7 corner mark. That gets rid of this 6 center mark, and now there's, I was going to say there's only one 6, but there's a 6 over there. Okay, but now there's only 4 left in this box, so we can do it. So it's 2, 5, 8, let's get rid of this. So it's 2, 5, 8 plus 3. And 3 is already up here, so this can't be 3. Okay, this is a 3, 9 pair, so I can get rid of the corner mark 9s. So now there's only 4 candidates left within this box. So I'm going to delete the corner marks. Actually, I'll keep them for now, I guess. So we need 1, 2, 4, and 8. We already have 1, 2, and 1, 2, 4. We already have those marked. So these are 1, 2, 4, 8. Oh, and these can't be 1s. This can't be 4. This can't be 1. Okay. So now this 6 sees these 3 cells, this 6 sees these 2, so this has to be the 6, which makes this 2 and this 6, which makes this 5 and this 6. So now these 5s go away, this 2 goes away, so now these 2s are pointing, or they're the only 2s candidates left in this row, which gets rid of these 2 2s, and now this only has 1 candidate left, is the 8, so that's not the 8. Whoops. Don't place values when you have 2 selected. That's the 8, which makes that 4, which gets rid of this 4, get rid of this corner mark and the center mark. So now this is a 1, 2 pair, so these 1s are pointing, which means this is not 1, it's 4. That puts 1 here, because it's the only 1 marked left, and now this is the only 9 mark left, so that's that. Get rid of this 4 center mark. These 2 8s go away. I'm just going to follow up on all these center marks before I move too far. 9. Okay, this is a 3, right, because it's the only blue mark left. That gets rid of this 3. That gets rid of this 3. And this is the only 3 mark left, so this has to be the 3. Now there's only 1 4, so that's the 4. This is a 3. This is a 9. This is a 5. 3. This is the only, this 3's red, so it goes away, and now this is the only 3 left in this box, so that's a 3. Whoops, no, place it 3. Get rid of this 4. Now this is the only 4 marked in this box, so that has to be the 4. And okay, let me make sure I did all that correctly. Very nice, smart man. Okay, so now this is a pair, and it's going to point to resolve that right there. Okay, this one has to be the 8, right? Because there's an 8 down here, so 8 cannot go here or here, and this column needs an 8, so that has to be it. That makes this 9, that makes this 5, this is going to be 1, this is 9, this is 8. Okay, so now I can do it. We need a 5, and there's a 5 right here, so this is 5, and 2. Okay, oh wow, we're basically almost done. Okay, there's only one left in this column. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5, so it has to go there. This is 2, which makes this 1. This is going to be 2. So now this is 8. This is 5. This is 2. This is 8. This is 2. This is 5. This is 1. And we have one candidate left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be the 8. Congrats. Okay, nice. So yeah, it kind of just all fell apart, or it all came together rather, once it was something about this box that I like, I think something about the 3s, I don't know, but that's kind of how it goes, is like, you mark it up, keep marking, and then eventually, you just discover one thing, and it just all kind of cascades from there. But yeah, nice, good stuff. If anyone actually does manage to watch until this point, I would appreciate if you could comment and just like let me know that you do, or but like I assume people just like don't get this far. But yeah, if you actually do, then let me know. I would appreciate it. And then also if you have any advice for me, I'd also appreciate that. But yeah, for now, I'll just say thanks for watching.